In a quiet village surrounded by dusty fields and broken dreams lived Kellash, his wife Alia, and their two children, Ravi and Pooja. They were poor, but not because of fate. They were poor because Kellash was lazy. Every morning, Alia woke before sunrise. She made simple food, walked far to fetch water, washed torn clothes by hand, and sent the children to school with only a bit of roti and salt. Kellash, meanwhile, lay on the old cot beneath the neem tree, staring at the sky. "Come help me in the fields," Alia would plead. "That land is useless," Kellash would reply. "Then go find some work in the next town." "I wasn't born to beg for money," he'd say. When she asked him to do anything at all, he shrugged and said, "I gave you children. That's enough." Alia stitched old clothes until her fingers cracked. She begged neighbors for rice. She fixed the leaking roof during the rains, while Kellash snored in the corner. Ravi left school at 12 to serve tea at a stall. Pooja sold her bangles to buy a second-hand notebook. Alia skipped meals many nights so her children could eat. Then one day, Alia collapsed in the field. The village doctor examined her and said she needs rest, nutrition, proper care. Kellash replied, "We don't have money." The doctor looked at him and said, "You had 20 years to change that." Lying weak on her cot, Alia turned her head toward Kellash and whispered, "You didn't just waste your life, Kellash, you wasted ours. You chose comfort, and we carried the burden. Now, it's too late for me." She closed her eyes and never opened them again. For the first time, Kellash wept. He saw Ravi wiping glasses with tired hands. He saw Pooja sewing torn clothes by a flickering lamp. He saw the life that might have been, if only he had stood up. He sold his only piece of land, got Pooja back into school, placed Ravi with a local mechanic to learn real work. And every day, Kellash labored, carrying bricks, sweeping floors, lifting sacks. People whispered, "Now he works?" But Kellash didn't say a word, because he knew. He had woken up too late for Alia, but not too late for his children. Moral: don't waste your life, or you will waste the lives of those who depend on you. Let's learn from the story. One village, meaning a small group of houses in the countryside. Example: Ravi grew up in a quiet village far from the city. Two, surrounded, meaning enclosed on all sides. Example: the village was surrounded by dry, dusty fields. Three, lazy, meaning not willing to work or use effort. Example: Kellash was lazy and avoided all kinds of work. 4, sunrise, meaning the time in the morning when the sun appears. Example: Lakshmi woke up every day before sunrise. 5, fetch, meaning to go and bring something. Example: she had to fetch water from a faraway well. 6, torn, meaning damaged by being pulled apart or cut. Example: Lakshmi washed their torn clothes by hand. 7, plead, meaning to beg or ask for something emotionally. Example: she would plead with Kellash to help in the fields. 8, beg, meaning to ask for something desperately. offer money or help. Example, he said he wasn't born to beg for money.